Hi everyone, welcome to NefisTV. Here comes a healthy smoothie recipe full of rich banana flavor. Start by peeling the bananas and placing them in a blender. Then add half a cup of plain yogurt, 300 ml of cold milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Blend on a low setting to begin with and work up to a higher one. This will help the blender to process the ingredients more efficiently and quickly. Blend until the mixture is smooth. You can add more milk if needed to reach the desired consistency. Pour the drink into a serving glass. Decorate as you wish and serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching!